Magandang Ito ay isang kwento ng manglalakbay na palaging nag-iintay, nag-aasam na dumating, na sana makarating. Ang in-order sa Lazada, ang mga kasamang niyaya, ang inanyayahan sa kalawakan upang ipakita sa madla ang espesyal na ritual na matindihan, nagbobonggahan, nagsyosorbahan, nanginginig-nginig pa ang espesyal na gawain pangbahay, ang pagbabrush ng kalsada para walang madulas sa lumot na nanunuot sa kaloob-looban sa kaibuturan ng kanal. Kaya ito na ang hinihintay, kaso wala pa pala, fake news lang. Yan, kompleto na kami. Yan, okay. Kami.
Tapos may cotton pa.
Katsu.
Hindi cotton, parang brass. Sipit.
Saka kayo din? Yan na tayo.
Mag-aalangan ako. Maglalaba pa kami sana eh.
Before lunch naman nandito na tayo.
Before lunch.
BGC.
Hindi kakayanin.
Kakayanin.
Dito na kami sa isla. Ayan. Bumagal si Kuya Tox. Ay, nahataw yung paon eh. Padyak. Tindahan eh, kaya bumagal ako eh. Alam ko na, gutom ka na. Meron po kayo Mountain Dew? Meron ko yan. Ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ho. Dito lang po yun.
May yan.
Pass the message.
Okay. Doon tayo sa ano?
2 years na ako hindi nagbabike. Yay!
Shout out! Hindi, teka.
Albert dun eh.
Hindi.
Kaso tapos lang tayo lang sir, kaya namin
Ayan na.
yay! Bumawi lang din. Kita mo lang RC medyo parang hindi kumalaw.
Hindi, sapa. Ano ko lang.
Ito mo mo ito. Anong po bro? Magkaiba torneo.
wala akong magsasalita. Whew. Dito kami sa C6. Maga pa, 8:30 pa lang. Mabilis lang kami nakarating. Motor. May aksidente, nakamotor. Talagang malas wala, nakatakip na siya ng something. Ibig sabihin nun, wala na. Kawawa naman. Ay, kaya ingat lagi sa daan mga kaibigan. Hindi importante magmadali kung buhay ang magiging kapalit. Ayan, bigutan na kami. Atso. Wait lang, bigutan na. Oh, yung picture ko talks. Okay ba, Atso?
2 years.
2 years walang padyak. Nung huli ako dumaan dito, ano eh, C6. Ano pa to, ginagawa pa? Trail pa siya. Hindi pa siya kalsada. Oo. Ang istorya pagkatapos ng ahon.
Eto na.
At ito pang isa, nagmumukmok sa hindi kalayuan. Nagpapapadyak pa nang nakakita ng camera. Pero kanina, nakahalumbaba na.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning.